It's a new world. Are you adapting? Some people blame the internet. By the internet and search engines organising the world's information, everything has changed. Particularly how new clients, new customers, new patients, new dating partners find you, and how they learn about what you do, how they learn about your products, your services and your messages. Direct mail, radio commercials, newspapers and magazine ads are no longer effective as they once were. If someone wants or needs services like those you offer, they simply search on Google. Do you show up in a relevant Google search? Do you show enough about yourself and how you can help the people who are searching for you so they're inclined to choose you? Do you have 5-star reviews? In days of yore, your brochure rack was a pivotal information place for clients, customers and patients' education. It was a resource people helped themselves to gain the information that they wanted. Today, it's your website, your app, your social media platforms. This is where the vital roles, the vital pivotal turning points for helping clients, customers and patients refer others to you. This requires you to continually update your website, continually update your WAP, to continually update your app and social media platform information, and to guide clients, customers and patients to like, subscribe and share your details and content with people they know you may be able to help as well. It's a new world. Are you adapting? Are you updating? I'm Dr. Jo Messenger. If you'd like more, jump over to my website at jomessenger.com. Have a read of my books, do my online courses, keep an eye out for my live events, my live workshops, and remember, until we meet again, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.